All right, not going to cover it again, but that was a right angle. So A was 90. 1937 is 127, and take that away from 180, you get 53. Right, this one over here. This question B and A. All right, so that's an equilateral triangle. So all these angles are 60. Therefore, B is equal to 60, and then 60 plus what is 180. A is equal to 120. That's it. And the next one. Question 1, part 3. This is 105, so that means this angle here, 180. What is it? 75. And then if I just rub that out and turn it around, it is an isosceles triangle, which means those two lines are the same. That means A is equal to 75 too. So 75 plus 75 is 150. 150 from 180 is 30. So B is equal to 30. Right, this one looks a bit, so the next one, part 4. All right. So first of all, we have, if I look at this angle here, is equal to 50. Forget about the red line for a minute. Try to block the red line out. So that's 50. So what's B?
50.
B is equal to 50. Alternate angles, correct. B is equal to 50. And how do we get, now we forget about this line here, this bit coming down. Just try to forget that it's there. Alright, so where's the shape here? This is 70, so this one is 70. So we'll just rub that out for a second. Now can you see this Z shape here? The red line, using the red line. So 70, A plus 50 is equal to 70, so A is equal to 20. Question 2. You can see that there's two triangles. There's a big triangle. If you try to forget about the middle line, there's a big isosceles triangle, which means those two angles are the same. And there's a smaller isosceles triangle here. There's a smaller one, isosceles. So how do we can get that angle and that angle, because that line is equal to that line. Therefore, this angle is equal to that one. They're the same. So 180 minus 96 is 180 minus 96 is 84, and then divide that by 2. 42. So that's 42, and this one here is 42. Turn it back around. Forget about the middle line. Well, we'll leave it there for a second. Yeah, this corner here, in the isosceles triangle, this one is 42 as well. All right. Now we can get this angle here. So 96, 84, and then we're just looking for the top one. It's 42. Well, we will find out what the total angle up here is. So 42 and 42 is 84. So these two add up to what? 84 from 180 is again 96. So this adds up to 96. So 96 minus 42 is 54. All right. Right. The next one. The next one. Two parallel lines. There's a Z shape coming down here. So X is equal to Z, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's another Z shape coming over here. So 32 is equal to Y, isn't it? So Y is equal to 32. Okay, so we have that. So we can look at the top. So we have 32, this triangle up here. So we have 32 plus 120 is 152. And take that away from 180? 28. So X is 28. So look at this Z coming down here. So 28 is equal to?
28.
Z is equal to 28.
Or could you do it that way as well, where 120, the alternate angle to that?
Yeah, you could
120.
bring this, that's 120, and then you could figure it out.
That's 2 plus 120.
Yeah, you can. Do it that way. And then this one down here. So this is question 2, part, what is it? VII. Alright, so what can you find out first? That's 61 there. 45. So if you look at the top triangle here, top triangle up here, we can figure out what Z is first. Forget about this line. That angle. So 64 and 45 is 106, isn't it? 106. To find Z, 180 minus 106. 74. So that's 74. Alright. Here, Y is equal to 61, isn't it? Because they're on the same side. They are corresponding. Alright. And then we can find out what W is down here. 1 second. 61 from 180 is 119, isn't it? 119. Now finally we can get what X is. Let's just rub out everything. Those three angles. So 40 plus 74 is 114. Take away from 180 is 60. 114, 66. Is that angle?